You know, guys, I was sitting there the other night watching my movie and eating some pretzels, and then I wanted some chicken nuggets, and I thought, you know, we always coat chicken nuggets with breadcrumbs and whatnot. Then I looked at my bag of pretzels and I thought, why not coat them with pretzels? Went ahead and did it. It turned out so good. You've got to make these, and let me show you how. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here with about half a kilo of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, which is about a pound. And I'm going to slice these into chicken nuggets. And I'm using my Del Strong slicing knife here. I'm going to do a complete review of their products, but I just love it. I know it looks like a sword. It's huge, but you can slice anything super, super thin. It's so sharp. Beautiful knife. Next up, let's do our dredging stations, and I'm going to start with about a half a cup of flour. If you need more, you can always add a little bit more. And I'm going to spice up its life with some garlic powder. This is about half a teaspoon. Some smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and just for that heat, some cayenne. Ouch, that's hot. So we'll just go ahead and add these in. And we'll give them a mix together, because you certainly don't want a mouthful of cayenne. That would be exciting. Next station, I'm going to beat up a couple of eggs. I love beaten eggs. And in the third station, believe it or not guys, some pretzels. Yes, those old-fashioned salted pretzels. You're going to say, what, pretzels? But believe me, they work. So I can take my caveman club / meat tenderizer and just smash these pretzels up. Me like smashing. Okay guys, let's begin our dredging. First of all, some of the chicken into the flour. And I'll put about 4 of these in. And maybe one more. And then we'll just dredge this up. Just kind of shake these off a little bit and into the egg mixture. Is that clucking I hear? Alright, I'll stop with the corny jokes. Now into the pretzels. Let some of that egg drain off. And just remember, if the pretzels don't work, you can always put them back in a bag and go down to the local bar and have a beer. Then last but not least, onto my wire rack. Boy, these even look like nuggets. Now I'm going to slip these into the air fryer, set at 425 Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius I should say, for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I left these in the air fryer for about 13 minutes or so guys, and these are done perfectly. And guess what? I cheated and had one, and they are so good. So let's let these cool down a little bit. Now what we're doing here is making up a sauce. I came across this recipe somewhere, I can't remember where. And it's just 1 part Dijon mustard and 1 part honey. So I want to try this. So I've got a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of honey. Just kind of eyeballing this, something like that. And we'll just give this a mix up. And I'm just going to give this a little taste. Guys, that is a nice sauce. And there you have it guys, our wonderfully delicious pretzel-coated chicken nuggets. You're going to love them. A great snack even for a full meal. Okay, now my most favorite time in the whole wide world is the taste test. So I'm just going to dip my pretzel nugget here, for lack of a better word, into the sauce. And just look at this. It looks so good. Wow. I know guys, I say this in every video, but it is so good. The chicken is tender. You got that crunch from the pretzels in there. The seasoning is beautiful, and this sauce is out of this world. Great for game night, great for anything. I just love these. Need more of them. So So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to Colonel Cluck's website. No, I'm just kidding. Head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like what you saw, hit that sub button and that like button. Stay safe and see you next time.